Do you find yourself kind of searching for those pins and you can't find them and you end up everywhere on your property? Here's a great way to ensure your success without having to pay a ton of money. So let's talk about your county's GIS. Here's a basic overview of a GIS. Most counties have it, so I picked just a random one. But you can just Google your county and the GIS, and you can usually find your plot of land. They usually have a measuring tool on it. So once you have located your plot, usually by like an address or a plot number, you go ahead and you zoom in. Each one of these lines is a property line. And when you find yours and you keep zooming in, once you click on it, it usually gives you some information about the plot. I've blocked out whoever this one is just to give them privacy. There's a measuring tool. Usually it looks like a ruler. You click on one point and then to another point, choose your unit that you're measuring in, and then it will show you an approximation of what that distance is. My favorite thing is to find some place on the plot that you know what it is. Like if there's a big tree and you know, or like a corner here where there's a cleared off area, do a measurement from that to the property line and then over to the corner. This is a great way when you are boots on the ground trying to find your corners and you don't have cell service for you to be able to find where a pin should be. I recommend taking screenshots and giving yourself a play-by-play of all the measurements. So when you're on the property, you can just follow your playbook. Get one of these really long Harbor Freight 330-foot measuring tapes. That, along with the tips I just gave you with the GIS, should be doing pretty good on finding your pins. So let's see this in real life. Does this actually work? Please tell me that's a pin and it's just not a short little tree that broke off. Keep coming up towards me. Go around the back of that tree.
Sure as fuck looks like rebar to me.
Maybe you should put your tongue on it. If it's cold.
I have to use my tongue.
I just want to see if you do it.
It's rebar.
Yay!
I don't know how you spotted that.
I have no idea either. Because the GIS, I told you. Those measurements that I took from the satellite before we came, everything's right where I thought it would be. That's not how you put it on there.
I'm really curious.
They're in there.
Well, I can wiggle it.
I wiggle a lot too. Doesn't mean I should.
I'm curious how far, like what was sticking up when they finished.
It was 10 feet tall.
I know it wasn't.
You don't know. Remember that one thing to find on the GIS map that you know where it is in person? This was our one thing. It's a big frickin' bush and it shows up on the map really easy, and this was the key. See that spot up on the side of that mountain up there with the snow on it? See that turquoise jacket? Yeah, that's me, climbing that, looking for a pin. Get land in the woods, they say. It's fun, they say. Go off-grid, they say. We appreciate you stopping by, and hopefully this helped you find your pins on your property or educated you on a new tool that can help you with your land. Make sure to hit that subscribe so you can follow along with us as we navigate being new property owners and having land for the first time.